So this is a Renault Capture, and this is how you get the engine air filter out to replace with a new one. It's here in the engine bay, so you just press the tabs either side like that. The cover pops out, and so does the filter. Okay. There's the new one. Okay, and they're just in reverse order, obviously. You can see the shape just curves a bit at the side. I've popped the date on so you know when it was last changed, because these are the lungs of your car. Your engine filter, your cabin filter, they're the lungs of your car, just as the oil is the blood of your car, just so you know. Okay, so you just make sure it's seated in nice, and then just wiggle it in. There you go, that's it, and we can chuck that one in the bin. Lovely.